What's up everyone? So today I want to do a little update on my camera bag, and this is all primarily for landscape photography, so let's begin. This is not in my camera bag, but I did just pick this up yesterday at Best Buy for only $99, 4 terabytes. It was on sale from $120, so if you're in the market for a external hard drive, I highly recommend that. Okay, so now to my bag. Actually, now to my tripod. The tripod I'm using is still the same as last time. It is the Manfrotto 190X with the ball head right here, which is 496 RC2. Okay, this has done me very well, and I love Manfrotto, and this is one of the best tripods I've ever used. Very sturdy, very heavy, but definitely worth the money. Now, to my bag. I got a brand new bag, and this is the Lowepro 400 AW Flipside, I believe. Okay, so I just needed more space, and I like the color black also. There's the name right there. Yep, Flipside 400 AW. Okay, that's made from Lowepro. So very sturdy bag. I absolutely love this bag. Very comfortable too. So to begin, I'm gonna open up my pocket right here. Not much in here, just a little notepad just in case I want to write down any notes. Gloves, of course, always cold in Ohio, so gloves are the best. I'm gonna get some touchscreen gloves soon, and just a little pen, and nothing else down there, and let's see, some business cards, of course. Okay, so that's that. So there is inside. Let's start up here. I believe just some memory cards right there, extra ones. This is where I keep all my memory cards right here. Okay, so for Black Friday, they're having a huge sale on SD cards, so I picked up a lot. I got 64 gigabyte for, I believe it was $10 or 14, I can't remember. And then the 32 gigabytes, I think it's in the camera right here, but that was only $10. I think the 64 was 15. But great deals, so I got a lot of those. And the 16 gigabytes were only $5.99, which is insane. So, here's the main attraction right here. Of course, the blower and just a microfiber cloth. That's all I use to clean my lenses or camera body. A few business cards tucked away here, just in case. Got my charger and third-party batteries. Always carry extra batteries with you. And here is a leather strap. Probably one of my favorite straps, made by ProMaster. Very nice, especially if you're shooting a wedding or something like that. I've used this at a wedding, and it just looks very nice with whatever you wear. And then right here is my Leatherman tool by Gerber. And this thing's great to have just in case you need anything to tighten up or cut yourself loose from anything, I guess. But yeah, this thing is always great to have. I believe this was only, I want to say $30 on Amazon. So nice little addition to have in there. And then my new filters I have are I want to say 6 stop and 11 stop filters. Okay, so I believe that is the 11 stop. These are made by ICE, I-C-E. Okay, I got this 2-pack, the 6 stop and 11 stop, for only $45, I believe, on eBay. And here is the 6 stop. And I use them a lot with my 16 to 35, and it is phenomenal work. The quality that comes out with them, there's no casting, no vignetting, and I also have this little pouch for it from ProMaster also. Those are some of the best filters I've ever used, and body caps. And then, same as last year, 16 to 35 f4 L lens. One of the best lenses to get for landscape photography. I absolutely love it. It is my baby. I care for it so much. Looks brand new after still having it for 2 years. So there's that. And also, here's this. I just bought the 2470 f2.8 version 2 from Best Buy, brand new. And this thing is phenomenal. It is one of my favorite lenses ever. The sharpness, colors, everything about it is just amazing. It is one of my favorite lenses ever. I'm very happy I took out the cash to buy it, and I highly recommend it. And of course, I'm still shooting with the Canon 6D. Haven't upgraded yet. I'm not sure if I will yet. I really want to, but I got paid this this lens off right here. So that is it. That is basically all of my camera gear. That's all I use for landscape photography. If you guys want to check out my photos, follow me on Instagram at Nick Hoeller. Also check out my portfolio at www.hoellerphotography.com. And if you guys have any questions about gear, photography, anything you want, please comment below. And please subscribe. I just reached 100 subscribers, so that's awesome. I'm glad you guys are enjoying my videos. And like the video, comment below, favorite it, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.